Can't be bothered. Unpacking an everyday English expression. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a common but sometimes confusing phrase in English. Can't be bothered. This phrase pops up often in everyday conversation, and understanding it can really help you grasp the nuances of English. So, let's break it down together. Can't be bothered is an interesting phrase in English. It means not wanting to put in the effort to do something because it feels too tedious, difficult, or uninteresting. It's often used in casual, informal situations. For example, if someone says, "I can't be bothered to go out tonight," they mean they don't feel like making the effort to go out because they might be tired or just not interested. This phrase can be used in various contexts. Here are a few examples. Lack of interest. He can't be bothered to learn how to cook. He prefers to eat out. Feeling too lazy. I can't be bothered to clean my room today. Avoiding unpleasant tasks. She can't be bothered to deal with the paperwork. Understanding the context is key to interpreting the phrase correctly. It's not just about laziness. It often reflects a prioritization of one's time and energy. One common mistake is confusing "can't be bothered" with outright inability. Remember, this phrase is about a lack of willingness, not a lack of ability. For instance, saying, "I can't be bothered to lift this heavy box," implies you could do it, but you don't want to. Not that you are physically unable. In different English-speaking cultures, "can't be bothered" might have slightly different connotations. For example, in British English, it's a very common phrase and generally accepted in casual conversation. However, in some cultures, it might sound a bit rude or too direct. It's always good to understand the cultural context when using such phrases. I hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, "can't be bothered," a bit better. Remember, language is not just about words but also about the feelings and attitudes they convey. So, keep practicing, and don't be bothered if it seems challenging at first. See you in our next video, where we'll explore more interesting English expressions. Happy learning!